how to analyze the performance cost of a shader.
First, I would, if I had no idea, I would just do the counting method. Count lines, let's count properties. Okay? This is already a good heuristic. Now, if I really wanted to learn about this, I would use Mali OC because it tells you the complexity of your shader depending on the category of operations. Okay, ALU operations, load store operations, and this would allow you to actually keep learning on the details of shaders, right? And then, instruction based is, you will develop a feeling for that. And I think you will need to become, if you wanted to become a really good technical artist, the instruction based counting, analyzing might be really worth, where you have to study all the instructions and then to have a very fast mapping in your brain about, okay, this is expensive, so let me find a different way to accomplish whatever I want in a cheaper way. So this might be worth only for experts. I would say here, but it's not experts. And the method of replacing instructions in Datadog, I think this is an easy way to basically locate the of your shaders, right, in an interactive way. So this is kind of a playful experimentation technique, which I really like.